Welcome home! Healthy Organic and Easy by Michelle. Today we are making Welcome Home's 2 scrambled egg recipes with a salad. Scrambled egg with the veggies. Cut 2 slices of tomato. Chop half an organic onion. These are organic mushrooms from the freezer. I have another video that shows how you can store organic mushrooms longer. If you want to learn, please check it out. Chop mushrooms. Put 4 eggs and half teaspoon of salt in a bowl. Add a little bit of organic onion powder and organic garlic powder. Add some organic dry parsley and little organic black pepper. Mix well. Add a little less than quarter cup of organic milk. Let's make a salad with a Welcome Home's lemon and balsamic vinaigrette. This is a red and green lettuce I grew in my mini garden with the seeds. I'm going to use some in our salad today because it's so soft and tasty. And also use organic non-GMO baby spinach spring mix. Let's make the vinaigrette. Squeeze half a lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of organic extra virgin olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon of organic balsamic vinegar. Add a half teaspoon of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Preheat the pan on medium heat with a little bit of olive oil and add egg and veggies. Stir eggs and veggies for 30 seconds. Close the lid and continue cooking on low heat for 3 minutes. Let's make the salad. Add some organic mini tomatoes. Let's set up the table. Scrambled eggs with mascarpone cheese. Put 4 eggs and quarter teaspoon of salt in a bowl. Add a little organic black pepper and little less than quarter cup of organic milk and mix well. Preheat the pan again with a little bit of olive oil. Turn to low to medium heat and stir eggs for 40 seconds. Add mascarpone cheese and set up the table. Look at this. Hope you guys enjoy.